Hey everyone, hope you all are doing fine. So last week I posted a video of cherry cake and I got a lot of queries to post recipe of its eggless version. So here am I with the recipe for an eggless cherry cake. So let's get started. So first of all we will prepare our flax eggs. So take 2 tablespoons of flax meal and add 6 tablespoons of water into this. And now stir it properly. So once it's properly mixed, keep this mixture aside to rest it for about 15 minutes. And now here are my washed cherries. So I'm going to cut them into halves and of course I'm going to pit all of them first. So let me cut them in halves. Now these I'll be using on top of the cake and the rest I'll be adding in the batter. Okay, so now is the time to melt the butter. So melt the butter and keep it aside for later use. And now prepare your dry ingredients. In a bowl I'm adding flour. Now this is half all-purpose flour and half whole wheat flour. And into this I have added baking powder and baking soda. And I'm also going to add the cherries that we kept aside to put in the batter. Just mix them well. So keep this aside. And now is the time to prepare our wet ingredients. Now in a big bowl I'm adding sugar. I'm using caster sugar here. Into this I'm going to add the melted butter. Vanilla extract. And also the beaten flax eggs that we prepared 15 minutes back. So here it goes. And now mix this well. I'm using a hand whisk here, but you can also use your electric beater, electric mixer if you want. So I'm also going to add some milk into this. So here goes the milk. Mix it once again. So now we are going to add our flour mixture into this. So we'll add the flour in batches. So slowly fold in the flour mixture into the wet mixture. So add the flour in batches. Do not add it all together, but in batches. So there are lumps right now, but don't worry. Everything will be smooth enough. So it's all mixed up now. So now I'm going to transfer the batter into our baking pan. So this is an 8-inch square tin which I have greased, and I've also lined it with parchment paper. So pour the cake batter into the pan. And just level the batter in the pan. You can either use the spatula, an offset spatula, or also a back of the spoon. So now once it's all leveled, just drop the tin 3 to 4 times to remove the air bubbles. And now is the time to top the batter with our remaining halved cherries. You remember last time when I made cherry cake, I garnished the cherries on top after baking the cake for 15 minutes. But now I am adding right away so that you can get the difference, you know, how the cake top looks like in both the cases. You can compare now. So once all the cherries are set, I'm going to put this in the oven, and I'm going to bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So into the oven. So our eggless cherry cake is done now. So I am checking this with the cake tester and see it has come out clean. And see how beautiful the golden brown color has come out. So I'll let it cool in the pan for about 15 minutes, and then we'll come back and demold it. So it's been 15 minutes, the cake is cool now. So I'll just release the sides with the help of a spatula. So I baked this cake on the occasion of Janmashtami for Krishna's birthday. So I'll not be able to show you from inside right away because I'm not going to cut it right now. But I'll definitely leave a picture of the slices at the end of the video, so you can just see how it turned out to be from inside. So here it goes. So here goes the parchment paper. So I'll just transfer this in a serving tray. So here it goes, a beautiful eggless and healthier option of cherry cake. See, it has risen beautifully and has a beautiful golden brown color. So I hope you like this recipe. So if you like it, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you try this, do not forget to share the pictures with me on my Instagram, Deepali Khanna Ohri, with the hashtag Bake with Deepali. So until we meet again, goodbye and take care. Happy baking!